YouTube, what's going on? I have a question for y'all. Are you still wiping down your chair or anything that you have in the shop with that mystery spray bottle or something that you just came up together in your own concoction? Well, today we're going to be breaking down one of the most complete disinfectant lineup in the game, straight from LUCAS-CIDE. I'm talking real EPA registered products. That's going to keep your shop legit, your clients safe, and your tools fresh. One of the best cleaning products out there that you might have not known about. Let's get into this video.
CTB, you know who it is.
All right, Concise family. So as I mentioned, LUCAS-CIDE has sent me some products. Shout out to them for sending me this. And I want to talk about sanitation, just being clean in your shop, at your barber station. Even if you're a barber or a stylist, doesn't matter. You're in the hair industry. And this is one of the things I really do feel like it gets slept on. We don't talk about it that much. And I'm glad that LUCAS-CIDE really does focus in on cleaning products that are very effective and that's what you really can use. So let's get into some of these products that has been given to me and let's really talk about them. So the LUCAS-CIDE Cleanfectant Clipper Spray. Honestly, this thing is a really nice product, and here's why. The fact that this is a unique plant-based formula, this allows us to use this without having any harmful chemicals that's going to be spraying in the air. So the Cleanfectant, of course, it cleans, it disinfects, it cools your clippers, lubricates stainless steel and ceramic, and it has an anti-rust formula. So to me, this is something that's just a little bit different than what we're used to when it comes to the other products that we use to clean our clippers. So not only that it cleans our clippers, you will notice that this thing cleans clippers, trimmers, combs, brushes, scissors, razors, trimmer blades, tweezers. I'm not really sure if some of us is going to use it for that, but also skincare equipment. So I've been using this for some time and I honestly have to say that I do really like this product, and also the smell of it, it's not overly strong or anything like that. So I like the fact that this is plant-based and this is not going to harm me and doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it. So shout out to LUCAS-CIDE for doing this. And the crazy thing about this is 10 bucks. This is 10 bucks. So to be honest, this is a nice, for the size and for everything that you get with this, I think that's a really, really nice when it comes to this type of product. So let's talk about some other products that LUCAS-CIDE has that really could be beneficial to your station. Now I want to talk about a product that they have that you will need to use some gloves. I'll call it the Big Blue. Also, they do have it in pink. Since I have it in blue, I do call it the Big Blue. This is the LUCAS-CIDE Concentrated Disinfectant. Now you will need to use gloves with this when you are using it. It's very powerful, but I will have to say this is very extremely economical. So 1 gallon of this literally yields 256 gallons worth of using the concentration disinfectant. Now that is a lot of gallons that you get out of just 1 gallon. And here's the main reason why. All you need to use is a ½ ounce of this concentrated disinfectant for you to use 1 gallon of disinfectant, period. So what I mean by that is that your clipper guards, your razors, your combs, all of that, all you need is a ½ ounce for that. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like in a bowl, and I'm going to disinfect everything in my wash bowl right here. Now, I don't know about y'all, but to me, that is definitely dope. And also you can get this around, I think the gallon is $69.95. That's really, really cheap to get to yield 256 gallons. I definitely feel like that's something that we might want to consider. All right, so I'm just going to show you what this looks like. So this is what a ½ ounce of disinfectant looks like. That's all you need. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. It's going to be full disinfected within that time. To me, just using this amount, and also this having a pump with this is definitely dope to have, because Sometimes, you know, we can use it, you know, without the cap, and we might not get the best measurements. Me doing it this way is the best use. And this kills over 70 nasty pathogens. And I really think, like, when it comes to having the right cleaning products is a necessity. So just wanted to let y'all know that. So LUCAS-CIDE offering this product to us to be able to yield 256 gallons to disinfect our blades, our guards, razors, our shears, our combs. Us allowing to use this LUCAS-CIDE concentrated disinfectant for those products at this price with that much that it yields at 256 gallons. I think that's a very beneficial thing to have at your station and at your salon if you're in a salon. So pick this bad boy up. So let's get to the next product. I know sometimes we don't have the 10 minutes that we really need to disinfect everything, but with this product, we do not have to worry about that at all. You don't need no gloves and it's already ready to use. This is the LUCAS-CIDE 222 RTU. RTU stands for ready to use. This is a product that is going to disinfect in 60 seconds. Most LUCAS-CIDE's product sanitize in 60 seconds, but this disinfects. So this is a lot more stronger, more powerful. In between clients, this is something that you can use. Now, you can use this on wash your shampoo bowls. You can use this on your chairs. Not only that, this is a disinfectant, it's a deodorizer and a cleaner as well. I'm going to use this product on the chairs right now in the salon area of the shop so you guys can see exactly how fast this stuff really works. And we're doing all of this all at the same time. As I was just using the big blue, as that's chilling, I'm gonna go ahead and use this product right here on these chairs right here. Dope thing about this is that all I have to do is probably wait another 30 to 40 seconds and I can wipe this off and it's completely disinfectant. You can get this is a quart and the quart is $17.95, or you can buy the gallon for $34.95. I definitely feel like these prices are very, very affordable, especially for something that's very, very effective. So LUCAS-CIDE, so far you guys are doing a great job. Let's get to the next product and let's see what else they have to offer. So I want to tell y'all something that when it comes to LUCAS-CIDE, we're going to be talking about the Thyme. This is RTU as well, ready to use, no mixing or anything of that nature. But the main reason why I'm back here near the refrigerator and the microwave is because of the fact that sometimes this stuff can leave a certain type of odor depending on what you have for lunch, right? So I am going to use this on a hard non-porous surface, the Thyme, because this definitely helps with any area that you have in your shop with any smell. It deodorizes the area very, very well. So me spraying this on a microwave and the refrigerator at my shop, this is another area where you can use this at. This is not the only place you can use this. You can use this on your barber station, any table, any non-porous surfaces. So you can use this almost anywhere and everywhere. You can use this on your chairs, your waiting chairs, your barber chair, anywhere that you might think that you might need to eliminate some odor. So this eliminating odor and also bacteria, this kills TB, MRSA, and MRSE. And this formula is also spa friendly. And what's really great about LUCAS-CIDE, this Thyme has the lowest level of toxicity and is highly biodegradable. And then this requires no PPE, and this does not irritate skin, eyes, or the lungs. So to me, the LUCAS-CIDE Thyme is definitely one of the products you might want to pick up because this does eliminate odor well, but also kills viruses and bacteria. This has a 60-second sanitation, but it takes 10 minutes to fully disinfect whatever you spray it on. So that's why I sprayed it on the fridge, just in case, you know, somebody just had a healthy lunch, and this is a quick, easy thing to get this room and area to smell even better. That being said, this product you can get for $35 as a gallon or $15 in a quart. So like I said, their pricing is very, very nice. And to be honest, you know, if I was you, there's multiple products to pick from, but why not one of each? But that's really up to you. Like I said, their pricing seems to be very, very well, especially in the times that we're in. So to keep your place clean, your barber shop, your salon, your studio, the Thyme is a really, really good deodorizer to have, but also clean as well. That being said, I got 2 more products I want to show you guys. Let's go into my studio and let's see how I use them. Also, I want to show you another place where you can use this at is if you want to, you can really use this in the inside of your steamer. Once it's all cleaned out and dry, spray this and wipe it down. This gives a nice freshness inside your hot towel warmer. This is good for the outside of your steamer as well. And why not? You know, it just makes sense. Okay, let's get into the work. All right, so now I'm gonna talk about a product that they have, that LUCAS-CIDE has, that is a citrus fresh plant-based product. Now, you will notice on their website, majority of their products are plant-based, just like as I showed you the Thyme and I believe the RTU as well. This product is also a RTU, a ready to use product. So there is no mixing, but with this, you can harness the power of the citric acid that knocks out 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. The main reason that is because this is EPA category 4 disinfectant. This sanitizes in 60 seconds, but full disinfectant only takes 5 minutes. Some of their products take 10 minutes, but we've seen the number 222, it takes 60 seconds for full disinfectant. This only takes 5 minutes. So that's a real nice in between from the 10 minutes and the 60 seconds. And the main reason why I'm standing here is because behind me, you can use this product on your capes and your aprons. So if there's something that you're looking to use for your capes and aprons, you can use this LUCAS-CIDE CA for that. You put the spray on it, you spray it, and you let it sit for those 5 minutes so it can have a full disinfectant. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes before it hits the washer or the dryer, sometimes I like to disinfect my capes and aprons in between clients just because I'm having a full day, and before I hit that wash bowl, I'm going to disinfect this stuff. So to me, this is one I would definitely pick up. Also, it being citrus fresh, so it's going to have a nice smell to it. I'm going to utilize this every day. So this is a dope product as well. The price for the LUCAS-CIDE CA is just the same about everything else. For a gallon, it's $35, and for 1 quart, it is $15. So if I was y'all, that is something I'll look forward to. We probably thought we'd seen the best of all of their products, but to me, this one is probably going to be used the most. So let's see what that is. We're going to talk about a product. I know majority of the products was already ready to use, but this product to me, honestly, you'll probably use not just every day, but probably every other hour or so. This is the LUCAS-CIDE wipes. This does still have the same citrus fresh scent to it. This also is plant-based, and this is $14.95. So that being said, this thing kills 99.9% of viruses. This also has the same effect as the CA when it comes to disinfectant and also sanitation. 60 seconds of sanitation, 5 minutes of disinfectant. This is also hospital grade. And when I use these wipes, I use these wipes on everything. Now, I know some of us have other things that we use for our clippers and trimmers, but I like to wipe my trimmers down and clippers with these because it's just one of those things. It's just pick up easy and grab. I'll wipe down my station on the hard surfaces right here. I'll wipe down my mat. These wipes are one of the best wipes I have used in a very long time because I know that it's going to do its job and actually kill all the viruses and bacteria that I needed to kill. Having these type of wipes at our salon, barber station, our studio, whatever, it actually is one of those things. Now, I don't know about y'all, but sometimes like even our products can get too much stuff around it on it, and I just use the wipes to wipe everything down. Even when it comes to the hand massager from Barbers, anything that I use, I actually use my wipes to wipe this stuff down so it can be nice and clean and sanitized for the next time I'm ready to use it. I like using these wipes on multiple of things. I know you probably would too. These are just $15. I believe you get 160 wipes in this thing, and I haven't ran out yet. And majority of LUCAS-CIDE's products is dog and cat friendly. These are too. This cleans, this disinfects, it deodorizes. So to me, I use the wipes all the time. Like anytime I'm grabbing something, even on my enhancement gun, I use this and I wipe this down because I like to let my clients know that I am a clean and a safe environment for myself and for them, that we are operating in the right way when it comes to our business. So when it comes to the LUCAS-CIDE lineup, when it comes to the Thyme, the 222, the citrus in the wipes, the Clipper Cleanfectant, and the concentrated disinfectant big blue, these products honestly is something I feel like is a must for barbers, stylists to have in their businesses. So if I was y'all, I would check them out. I would check out LUCAS-CIDEProducts.com, check out all the things that they have to offer, and really see which one would benefit you the best. To me, all of these do a great job, an amazing job. So shout out to LUCAS-CIDE for allowing me to showcase this to you guys and let me know how well this does in your business or on your station. So thank y'all for watching. I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Be blessed.
CTB. You know who it is.